video, and I know it has been a long overdue. So partially because the end of last year was like really treacherous. So, which is part of the reason why I'm making this video and starting a new series on my channel. So one of the things that I was dealing with at the end of last year was like the hairstyle from hell. Back around like November, beginning of December, I ended up putting box braids in my hair. I did an ombre set and I was using, I'm gonna say, Free Tresses ombre hair. It was like from black to blonde. Put that in my hair. In less than 4 days, I had dye coming all out over my hands. I'm gonna link pictures above so you can see how real it got. It was all over my bed, it was on my hands, it was like on my arms, all over my shirt. I was like, what is this? Took my hair down, literally had to wash my hair 3 times to get all the purple dye out. Well, as a result of that, my hair has been falling out. So I haven't cried about it yet because I'm like trying to keep it together, but I literally have never had this much breakage, damage, or anything in my hair. At the end of December, I had to cut like 2 inches off just to like start the process of cutting some of the damaged ends off because it ate up my hair. I looked like I had vampire fangs in the back of my head. So today we're going to do an old favorite, an old faithful. We using some old faithful products because right now my hair is super temperamental. So I'm going to do a perm rod set. I haven't done one since I was in my sophomore year of college, and so we're gonna relearn how to do this because I'm relearning how to do this, but hopefully it works out. Right now I'm just trying to do a lot of the building steps to get my hair back healthy. Today I am using Old Faithful. When I mean Old Faithful, I'm talking about Miss Cantu herself. Like, we're going back to the beginning, like back to black. We're using this leave-in conditioner today. I'll also be using a combination of the Main Choice Pink Lemonade Coconut Curl Boosting Sherbet. I'll be using this. And I will be using Mayo's Organics Curl Smoothie. Now, the reason why I'm using both of these is because I only have like a quarter of a bottle each. So quarter, being that my hair is shorter now, 1 for each side. So I'm going to be using those products, and then I'll be following up after I take the rods out with some Wild Growth hair oil. Now, this has been working for my hair for at least 3 years. I've always used it. I'm going to continue to use it now more than ever because the breakage that I have in the crown of my head ain't no joke. And I'll point it out when we get to that point. So yeah, let's get into this video. So to start this style off, I will be separating the back of my head. I will be also layering my products from leave-in to curl cream, and then I'll be applying oil once I have dried my curls. Now, however, in doing this, I actually regretted it once I actually took the style down, simply because you'll see like the Mayo Organics kind of became like a little cakey with the Cantu leave-in that I used. I don't think they mesh well together, but aside from that, it was a go. The curls still came out cute. So I'm going in with that Pink Lemonade Curl Smoothie and really melting that into my hair and trying to get it really coated. So, because I'm not going to be using a mousse. And I know you're probably like, why are you using this rat tail comb to get through your hair? Simply because when you were rodding with these, like, I call them medium rods,
You need those ends to like lay on that rod, because if your ends don't lay, it's gonna mess up the whole thing and you're gonna be walking around looking like a poodle. And that's not what we want. Poodle-ish is not what we want. So I actually twisted this to make sure that it stayed on the rod, because as you've seen at the back of my head, it was not trying to go. One thing that I liked about like twisting it instead of just laying it flat and riding it that way is that it was already like pre-marked for me to separate the curls later on, which made my process so easy.
So I'm all the way done. I'm going to go probably sit under the dryer for like 2.5 hours, and I'll show you the results in the morning. Well guys, it's the next day. I actually did sleep in these rollers, and let's just say I am actually tired and my ears hurt. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this down, and we're gonna get into the final look.
So y'all, you see these ends? This is where I would suggest you use mousse. I was like, I don't need no mousse. I'm just gonna do what it needs to be done. No, these ends are like detrimental to this style, and even though it like came out cute, day 2 really wasn't feeling it. It looked like it snowed in my bathroom. Look at my shirt. Just all that flakiness is literally like that Mielle Organics not mixing well with the Cantu at all. And partially because I was a little heavy handed with what I did have left, especially in the front of my hair. That looked bad. Looked like, Lord. But yeah, just finding the right products is really another learning lesson that I'm going through again. So I mean, we just gonna trial and error it out. But it ended up cute. I liked it. I just wish it wasn't as like thin in the top, because like you can see it. It looked like a hole there. But other than that, it was cute.
So guys, this is the final look. I hope that you like it. I'm not Shirley Temple-ish just completely, but I mean, it is cute, so I'm still happy with it. There is, however, some sparsity right here, like where my hair has been falling out, and I'm noticing, but other than that, like, it still looks full. It still kind of looks healthy, so I'm kind of happy about that. But yeah, so over the next couple of months, I will be documenting my hair growth, the health of my hair, and seeing whether or not I can really bounce back from the hair dye of the braiding hair. So hope you stay tuned. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. I'll see you later.